Hi friends, Professor Richard Robson, one of the 2025 Nobel Prize winners in chemistry. Good morning everyone. Today I want to share with you a very inspiring story about Professor Richard Robson, a scientist from the University of Melbourne, who was awarded the 2025 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. 1. Introduction. Professor Richard Robson was born in England in 1937 and later moved to Australia. He has worked for many years at the University of Melbourne. In 2025, he received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry along with two other scientists, Omer Yagi and Susumu Kitagawa, for their amazing discovery of metal organic frameworks, commonly called MOFs. 2. What are MOFs? Now, what are these MOFs? Let's understand it in a simple way. MOFs are crystal-like materials made by combining metal atoms with organic molecules. These two parts connect together to form a strong but porous, hole-filled structure, just like a sponge or honeycomb. Because MOFs have millions of tiny holes inside, they can store gases, clean water, or capture harmful chemicals. In fact, one small piece of MOF can have a surface area as large as a football field. 3. Why is this important? MOFs are very useful for our modern world. They can help us solve big problems like climate change and pollution. For example, MOFs can capture carbon dioxide from the air, helping to reduce global warming. They can store hydrogen gas, which can be used as clean fuel. They can filter toxic chemicals or even collect water from dry air. So, the discovery of MOFs has opened a new world in chemistry, environment, and energy research. 4. Professor Robson's journey. Professor Robson's story is not just about success, it's about patience and curiosity. For many years, he worked quietly in his lab, experimenting and testing new ideas. He once said that science is like building with Lego blocks, you keep trying new ways to fit things together until you create something amazing. That's exactly what he did with MOFs. His discovery started as a simple idea, but over time, it became one of the most important breakthroughs in modern chemistry. 5. What we can learn. Friends, there are many lessons we can learn from Professor Robson. 1. Be curious, always ask why and how. 2. Don't give up, success in science takes time and effort. 3. Think creatively, sometimes small ideas can lead to big discoveries. 4. Work together. He shared his Nobel Prize with other scientists, showing that teamwork is powerful. Professor Robson reminds us that science is not only about books and exams, but also about imagination, observation, and passion. 6. A message for students. To all of you sitting here, maybe one day, one of you will make a discovery like this. Don't think science is only for geniuses. It is for anyone who loves to learn. Start small, do simple experiments, ask questions, read about scientists, and stay curious. The world needs young minds like yours to solve the problems of the future: clean energy, water, health, and environment. 7. Conclusion. So, to summarize, Professor Richard Robson's Nobel Prize teaches us that curiosity, patience, and creativity can change the world. His work on metal organic frameworks is helping scientists everywhere find new ways to make our planet cleaner and safer. Let us all be inspired by his journey, and remember, science is not about memorizing facts, it's about discovering the truth. Thank you. I am Mr. Prabhu Matha from Bangalore, here, and have a wonderful day for you.